Díaghuíomh, mar na cealaí is anam dom, fáilte go crú. An áit a ghasan chothaíocht le gnó. An role atá agam is community growth and business development. I work with our members who specialise in film, animation, gaming, TV and immersive technologies. On Sheosaimh crew, not only do we have beautiful spáisina agus áisina, but we also work with ATU, Ollscoil Technoliaachta an Atlantic, with some tógraí agus clár with entrepreneur development programmes. Some of our members are Gaelgoers, for example, TG Cahar, Screen Ireland, Fishéan, agus Údarás na Gaeltachta are our board members. We love to speak Gaeilge and to encourage Gaeilge in all of our interactions and our events. Recently we held our Circle Cora as part of Láfia Lefáric. Tommy Rodú Las, our bilingual city here in Galway. So we really encourage our members to speak Gaeilge and we encourage them to speak to each other as Gaeilge.